Bellefonte, Kentucky is the location of this beautiful two-story brick home boasting approximately 3,520 square feet, including 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and 2 half baths. Enter the grand foyer of this stately home and experience the feeling of warmth mixed with style as you make your way into the living room, which seamlessly flows into a formal dining room. Gather in the updated gourmet kitchen, then retreat through the French doors to the enticing deck area with arbor. The main-level family room with vaulted ceiling and gas fireplace makes for a beautiful place to read or relax. The master bedroom adjoins the gorgeous private bath with double sinks, jetted tub, and separate shower. The finished walkout basement offers additional space that is perfect for entertaining family and friends. Don't forget the 3-car attached garage with lots of storage. Make this wonderful dwelling your forever home.